Yes lad, so the engine's finally out. It took me 3 days. Well, I didn't spend a full 3 days on it. When I got pissed off, I just left off it, kept on going back to it, but there's no rush because not in work, so yeah. But yeah, I'll give you a show you what it looks like. So all that shit in the gearbox makes me think that the rear main seal has gone on the engine, and that's where the oil's coming from, because down here is full of oil. It is full of shit, so it might be that. So the plan is, this is going to go into the workshop which me and my dad have built, which is over here. Oh. So shut up. So we're going to stick it in there soon once my dad's got off the roof, and then just got to strip it down to nothing and rebuild. But I'm going to need parts for that, so I don't think I'll be able to do that for a bit, but I will make a video on me stripping it. The car is full of shit, like it's just full of parts and loads of random shit, and yeah, you got the bonnet there and loads of shit on the floor. I need to have a good clean up, lads. This bumper pisses me off. Why did I take this bumper off? Oh bloody hell, it's foul now, isn't it? Might as well put it on the floor. Fuck it, there you go. Oh, leave that. That's good fitment, that, isn't it? Yeah. So the plans are, I need to tidy up the engine bay. I need to spray. Well, it's what I want to do. So I want to sand everything down and spray it grey. But that's going to be a big job. I might take, actually no, I was going to take the fuse box out, and then I have to take the ABS pump out and the ABS module and fuck that. So I'm just going to work around everything. But it does need a clean up, it really does, it's full of shit. So we've got a lot to do over the next couple of weeks. First thing will be to get this into that workshop and start stripping it. See, there's loads of oil that's come from here where the intake manifold sits, so that's full of shit. It might actually be the rear main, but I'm not too sure. The only thing that makes me think it's a rear main is all that oil in the gearbox, but we'll see when we strip it. Right lads, it's the day after I got the engine out. What we're going to do is we're just going to start stripping it. Now, I don't really have I was going to put the engine crane in here, right, and just hang the engine off it, but my dad said the floor won't be strong enough, it might go through the floor. So what we've done is we've put it on like a truck, and then I can get to everything but the sump basically, which should be alright, so I can strip the top, and then as the engine gets lighter we can move it about. But I'm not going to film everything. I'll probably just stick the camera up there, stick these lights on, and then just sort of like show you key bits and stuff. But I'll probably just do a time lapse or something with me stripping it. So yeah, let's get to it.
Feel a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Echoes of your
Right lads, so I need to update you on what's happening with this video. So I'm going to upload it in 2 parts because 1, it's quite a long video anyway, and 2, I've kind of hit like a brick wall with it. So with this engine, I've managed to get that 54mm nut off, or 52, 54, whatever it was, and then I'm struggling. I didn't know, so I need like a flywheel locker tool, which basically sits on the top of the flywheel in them 2 holes, and then like locks the flywheel in place. And what that allows me to do, it allows me to get that crank nut off, so I can get the pulley off, and then I can take the flywheel off, and then I can get the whole engine apart basically. So that's what I'm waiting for, and I've been googling it and I can't really find one for this engine. I found one on a YouTube channel that literally fits perfect, but he made it himself, and I'm just thinking that Universal might not fit, so yeah, kind of hit a brick wall. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this part of the video, but this is part 1, and part 2 will be me like opening up the engine and stripping the internal sort of bit. But for now lads, stay tuned, and if you want to see the second part of this video, make sure you come back, check out the channel. See you in a bit.